This video I will tell you that how to go live on Facebook. So first of all, make sure that your Facebook is opened up and you are in your news feeds here, and tap on this what's on your mind, and here you will see live video option below check-in. So you will tap on this one here, and now if you press on go live, okay, you will be live on Facebook. Okay, your friends and other people on Facebook will actually see your live video. And now there are like different kind of settings that you can do. Up on top here it says that if you tap on this one, it says that if you want to actually uh, share your story, to share your live to your Facebook story or not, you can toggle this on off. And if you want to actually keep your live to only public or friends or close friends or whatever you want here, you can basically turn the flash on and off. You can actually add stickers here. Okay, you can actually add different kind of effects here. Okay, and you can add text here as well. So these are like different kind of things, and you can actually add the description to your live. Okay, feeling and tag friends. You can actually tag friends in your live. So once you hit this live button there, okay, your live video will be started. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.